Today I'm working on the 3D leaf lace, and here is a sample that I've already done. So that's a full 16 repeat. To show you, I'll just do one, and it's you cast on 6+1. What you'll need to know how to do is make 5 and a central double decrease. Let's begin. To begin with, we will purl 3, knit 1, purl 2, and we'll repeat that to the end, and then we go on to row 2 and all even rows, which will be to knit stitches as they appear. So purl the purls, knit the knits, and purl all the yarn overs. Let's begin. With row 1, we shall purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1, then we purl 2, and then if we are making a bigger sample, we will repeat that, but when we get to the end, we purl 1. Turn the work around. So when we get to row 2, it's pretty simple. You just knit as they appear, so that's a knit, 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 that one there's a purl, and then knit, knit, and the last one is a knit. For row 3, I just made an error there, but I'll fix that, and the one that you can download on my website. Just repeat row 1 again. So you repeat row 1 again, and then for row 4 you do the same thing as you do for all wrong side rows. Okay, that's done, and you can see how that we're starting to set up this part. Move on to row 5, purl 3, make 5, purl 2, and repeat. When you're done with your repeat, you'll end up with a purl 1. Let's look at how that's done. Row 5, going to purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to make 5. Make 5 from one stitch. And how we do that is in the following way. We engage the stitch and we knit 1, but we don't remove it from the left side. Then we yarn over and we knit 1 again. Do not remove it. Yarn over, knit 1 again, and now we remove the whole thing, and we end up with 5 new stitches. Okay, then continue by purling 3. Okay, so we turn the work around, and I'll show you how it looks. So now we have a lot more stitches than we had before. We have an extra 4 stitches, I think, because out of 1 stitch we made 5. So now the back side of this is a knit, 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 and we get to the 5 that we've made here, and we will purl them all. So we purl the purls, and we also purl the yarn overs. Sorry, that's the end there. Getting stuck. There we have it. And then we knit 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is what we have now. Row 7. Purl 2, knit 2 together, knit 3, SSK, purl 1. So row 7, purl 2, 1, 2. Going to knit 2 together, which creates a right leaning decrease. Then we knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and now we produce an SSK, slip, slip and knit in like so. That produces a left leaning decrease, purl 1, and then purl the last one. Turn the work around and you just knit the stitches as they appear. I'll meet you back for row 9. Okay, now moving on to row 9. Purl 1, knit 2 together, knit 3, SSK. Repeat to the last and purl 1. Row 9, purl 1, knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SSK, the last stitch we're going to purl 1. Row 11, purl 1, knit 5. So that one you can easily do that. Then do row 12, and then I'll meet you back for row 13, which will be purl 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over. Repeat that to the last and purl 1. I'll show you that. Row 13, begin with a purl 1 that I've done here, yarn over, and then we SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, purl 1. This is how it's looking, and we are on to the last 2 rows, row 15, where we will purl 2, yarn over, do a central double decrease that will help create a tip, and yarn over, purl 1. So let's see how that looks. Row 15, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn over, and now we're going to do a central double decrease, and to do that what we do is we slip 2 stitches knitwise. So slip 2 stitches knitwise, knit 1, pass the 2 slip stitches over that knit 1, we do a yarn over again, and we purl 1 and end with a purl 1. And we turn the work around and knit the stitches, knit 2, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and knit the last 2. And that's the 16 row repeat right there. Once that's done, we just repeat the process again, and that's how we end up with this.